a strong extratropical system heading toward Newfoundland. Update on 3rd of November 2025. A named extratropical system is currently active off the east coast of the United States, with an estimated sustained wind of 40 knots or 45 miles per hour and a pressure of 7.5 hectopascals. Its current location is at 37.1 degrees north, 72.8 degrees west, moving at the speed of 25 knots or 29 miles per hour towards east-northeast. The wind speed estimations from other sources are very compact, with all except Ocean Prediction Center, which lacks an update at 40 knots. The central pressure has much wider estimations, ranging from 7.8 hectopascals to 7.4 hectopascals, making the system a borderline extratropical depression. It is not a strong system now, but forecasts suggest that it will rapidly intensify in the next 36 hours. It is now 283 kilometers from Virginia Beach, 597 kilometers from Cape Cod, 941 kilometers from Yarmouth, Nova Scotia, 330 kilometers from Sable Island, 740 kilometers from Saint Pierre, and 220 kilometers from St. John's. From the comprehensive model forecast, the peak wind speed will be around 80 knots, and the central pressure will be down to about 145 hectopascals. Here is the GIS forecast of the system, and we can see it deepening extremely fast, the isobars appearing as it drifts northeastward, before making landfall at its peak intensity as a Category 2 severe extratropical cyclone in Newfoundland. And then, after it moved into open Atlantic, another system formed to the south and kind of absorbs it. We can also see the remnants of Hurricane Melissa at the top right corner, bringing some slight impacts to the British Isles. This is a 300 hectopascal high wind field, showing the system already sitting in the middle of a trough, and will soon move and stay in the left region of the jet. That is why it will intensify so fast. Afterward, it will finish occlusion and start to gradually weaken. This is the maximum wind gust experienced since 12 UTC to a specific time of up to 48 hours later, modeled by the German icon model as it is more specified with 1 hour interval. We can see the gust building up throughout tomorrow, reaching 110 knots over sea, 87 knots on the Avalon Peninsula, 80 at Saint Pierre, and 60 on most of the Atlantic Canada coast. There will also be some significant amount of precipitation in the same period of time. Not extremely severe, but can still cause some trouble. The frontier of the rain arrives tomorrow morning and gradually accumulates when the storm moves closer. The rainfall can be up to 90 millimeters offshore in the next 2 days, 70 millimeters in southwestern Newfoundland, and 40 for most of this region. In addition, there will be some extreme storm surges, reaching over 11 meters around the center offshore, and the southern coast of Newfoundland will get 7 to 9 meters significant wave height. Elsewhere, wave may reach 4 meters height near Nova Scotia. Due to those impacts, the Weather Institute of Canada has issued multiple warnings for wind and rainfall. Finally, from the visible light imagery, we can see an eye-like feature developing at the storm center, which will eventually become the position of its occlusion. And from this infrared imagery, it is indicating high cloud top from its front to the east, reaching -60 degrees Celsius minimum.